Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a website with Claude AI artifacts. To begin, open Claude in your browser and head to the main workspace. This is where you can create and manage different AI-powered projects, including interactive website builds. If you are starting from a fresh session, that is perfectly fine. Just make sure you are on the main Claude page before moving forward. Once you are in Claude, look over to the left side of the screen and find the Artifacts section. Click on Artifacts to open it. This area is designed for building and organizing things Claude can help generate, such as apps, websites, and other structured outputs. Taking a moment to get familiar with this section can make the rest of the process feel much smoother. After that, click on New Artifact. This starts a new project and gives you a clean place to begin creating your website. Starting with a new artifact helps keep your work separate and organized, especially if you plan to build more than one project later. When the creation options appear, choose Apps and Websites. This tells Claude the kind of project you want to make and helps guide the tool toward website-focused outputs instead of other formats. Selecting the right category here is important because it shapes the experience and the kind of help Claude gives you next. From there, continue by following the on-screen process based on your own preferences for the website. You may be asked to make choices about the style, layout, content, or purpose of the site. Move through each screen carefully and select the options that best match what you want to build. If you are unsure about a choice, it can help to think about the website's main goal first, such as whether it is meant to showcase a business, present a portfolio, or share information. As you continue, Claude will use your selections to assemble the website artifact for you. Once you have finished the setup and the website is ready, look to the top right part of your screen. You will find the option to download it there. This allows you to save the website files so you can review them, use them elsewhere, or continue working on them outside of Claude if needed. That's all it takes to create a website with Claude AI artifacts. Take your time with the preference screens, review your final result before downloading, and you should have a solid starting point for your website.